our system, which is the Fairy Tale Academy. So let me show you the how about and contact. First, this is our homepage. Second, the about and contact. Now let's proceed to the login state. For the login, let's say we open the admin alias, password 123, then admin. Now click the login button, and here's the dashboard of our system for the teachers, students, grade, section, class, registrar office, strand, message, and settings. So let's go back to the dashboard. Here's all the credentials that we need for enrollment system. First, the teacher.
So now let's start about teacher. So as Joel said, we're teachers. So let's start to edit and delete. So we have at least 5 teachers here. So if we add teacher, new teacher, so let's say name is Pau, his name is Tia, surname is password, teacher, address, number, phone number, none. Don't mind that word start with which for the female, Gen 8 and 25, 2004. So here's the subject, chemistry, physics, and Java. So here's all the class. Class. It is successfully logged. So we'll go back. And if you can see the new teachers, the, here's the list of. So let's say this is Pau, and if we want to see the information or details about teacher Pau, so let's say Pauline, name, password, 123. So of course, to log in as teacher, that's the information of Pauline. So if you see classes, students, also. So let's go back again to Elias entry, of course admin. We go into student, so student. The next is student. So as you see, these are the student list. And if we add new student here, so click, let's say the name is Brian, the last name is Tababa. Address is number 14, same as for the birthday, that's 27, 2003. So let's say the gender is male. For the surname is Brian. Password is 123. Cameron. For the grade is 7, section A. So let's register. Okay. So as you can see, Brian is included. So let's go to continue to grade. So same as earlier, same as early topic. So I introduced to you now the edit and delete. So my example is the grade. So this is the grade 1, grade 2, etc. list of grades. So if let's say if we edit this grade 1, we want to okay, so let's say grade 9. So that's right. So, um, as I demonstrated earlier, my example now is section. So if you add new section, click this button. So select section, let's say section 3. Okay, so go back. As you see, here's the section F. And if we edit this, let's say will replace a section H. It will be updated. Okay, so if you want to delete this section, please go to that. That's it. This is how it works.
Let's modify. Let's delete Kurt. Now let's edit Redden. First name Kurt. Born name Kurt Bowie. Same. No need to modify. Main update. So as you can see, the Redden first name is modified to Kurt. Last name for Kawarn as well, and for the username. So let's move to Strand. Add new course. Course name history. Grade level for history is HG1. So as you can see, here's the new Strand history course code and the grade. Let's delete chemistry. Cut. For message, here's the message. Settings, school name, this slogan about current year and the current semester. Date, current error, like teachers, then push pull in, edit, display, random, like June, teacher, student, and that's all for the features and functions of Fairytale Academy system. SMSDB, there's the entity for admin, class grades message, here's your office section, setting student score, subject and teachers. For admin, admin ID, username, alias, password. For class, here's the class ID, grade and section. For grades, grade ID, grade code. For message, the example for Jando registrar office, James over to Joel card copy. Section ID section for the setting students